In this video, I will show you how to remove unwanted objects from photos for free. First, open your browser and search for Photo Room. Click on Remove Unwanted Objects. Click on Select a Picture. Select your image. Click Open. Now brush over the object that you want to remove. Wait for the removal process to complete. It will take some time. See the before and after. If you are happy with the result, click on Download. Select Standard Resolution. Open your download folder. Double-click on the image to view it. As you can see, the object is removed. In this way, you can remove anything from any photo.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.